Honorable members, it is expected of this August House to take note of major national issues and related developments and place on record its views on the same for record and for posterity. The panic outbreak of the dreaded coronavirus across the globe and the efforts being made to contain its spread is a major contemporary issue which the House need to take note of. The efforts of the central and state governments and the people of our country are particularly noteworthy. Yesterday was a super Sunday for our country. The voluntary curfew observed by the people of our country for 14 hours yesterday to contain the spread of this virus was unprecedented and heartwarming. The people of our country rose in unison to the call of national duty in this hour of crisis. This extraordinary response of the people was a clear demonstration of the collective resolve of the nation to address this formidable challenge. It was also heartening that a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the doctors, nurses, technicians, media, and all others who are in the forefront of the fight against the virus resonated across the country at 5 p.m. yesterday. This House takes note of this positive response and also the need to keep focused on concrete actions and keeping this spirit alive as we brace ourselves for the challenges ahead in the coming weeks. The central and state governments are doing their best to tide over the challenge. Several restrictions on the movement of the people are being imposed. This may certainly cause some inconvenience to the people, but extraordinary situations warrant extreme measures. It is important that we are agile and proactive, that we are responsible and responsive. It is critical that we respect the directions and follow them scrupulously. This House urges the people to bear with such restrictions and cooperate as they had done yesterday. The House records its appreciation of the overwhelming response of the people of the country to the call given by the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, for Janata Curfew yesterday and urge them to be guided by the same spirit till the war on coronavirus is finally won. The House also appreciates the central and state governments, various agencies, for their timely and effective interventions. This House also expressed the hope that collectively we shall overcome this huge challenge in the coming weeks. Honorable members may convey their feelings and appreciation of all concerned by thumping the dust, showing our solidarity.